and welcome to my channel, guys. And today I'm going to show you the very important command in links, which is aggregate function. So the aggregate function is very useful in the case of array. We have a numbers of array and we want some output like a multiply or something. So I will show you the use case of this array, what's the output will come. As you have shown this screen, we have an input of this 1 2 3 4 5, and the output will come of this one. So I will explain you all of these things. So let's jump to the UiPath and show you. And guys, please, I will make this video to make you a expert developer in terms of RPA. So please subscribe my channels and like my videos for more support, so that I could make more videos to improve your knowledge. So let's move on it. So I'm going to drag one sequence here and attach this sequence and rename this as like aggregate links. So here I'm going to create first variables. First I will delete this variable and I create one variable which is name is array arr and input number. So this variable type is type of array and then teacher, and I'm assigning this some values in array like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So this is a 5 arrays, the 5 items in the array starting from 1 to 5. And I also create one another variables like int result aggregate result, and which the array type is integer. So I will take one assign activity here and I put the int assign variables and write the functions here. So our input, the array was array of input numbers and dot aggregate. I will use aggregate functions here, and inside there I will create one lambda functions like function of a comma b. So a comma b, and I will write here a multiply by b. So as we have an input of here like a array 1 2 3 4, so what will calculate as a and b and will multiply for these values, like 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So I will show you what the result will come, how it will calculate it. So it will calculate like I will show you in Excel. Just give me a moment so that Excel will open. So Excel is open, guys, and I will show you like how it's calculate that. So for the Excel calculation, we will put equal to sign and we write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, enter it. So the result will come 120. As the same like the aggregate functions will work here. So it will aggregate and multiply the numbers. As here we created a and b as a lambda function, so a will multiply with b and the result will come 120. So in message box I will show you the result how it's come. Aggregate drop to string. Save this one. As we already attached this one, save it and run this code. So as you see, we find the result of 120. So it will multiply each one sequential values to itself to make this result. Like we have a multiple, for example, we have a case and we want have a number of values starting from 1 to 10. So in that case, if we want the result and as a multiplied 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 and into 4 into 5, so in that case we get the output as we want, like the multiplication of for numbers, each numbers. So in this scenario we can use this type of aggregate functions. So there is another use case which I will show you in aggregate functions. So let me like disable this activity and this one. So I will do one thing, I will copy this all and paste it here so that I could show you the another use case. How could we use? So here if you could, the same argument, if you could pass a number here, for example if you pass 10 and comma function ab and a into b, so it means that the 10 number will be added the whatever the multiplied number it would be here. So the multiply number would become 120 and 120 will be multiply with the 10. So for example if you will add here additions part a and b and multiply, it means that all the number which is we have it like 1 into 1 1 to 5 as a, so it will first add those number and that number would be add with the 10. For example if we have a number here 1 2 3 4 and if we will add this number 1 and 2, this 3 3 6 and 4 9 and 5, so that is 15, that is 15 total, like 1 2 okay, and 3 3 6 and 6 and 4 10 and 10 5 15. So the addition of this complete number is 15 and the other number which I already have passed here, the 10, so which could be added and get the result as we want. So I use this one functions and let me run this code and we will check guess what the output will come. So I will expect to get the output of 25. Yeah, that's a 25. And if we could make this number as a multiply here, so that number could be multiplied with the 10, so we will add here the multiply function functions here and we will check what the output will come. So it's come 1200. So how it's come 1200 guys, so I will let you know how it's come. So a and b, it will multiply for each numbers and the 120 will be result for this number and that number will be multiplied with the 10, so the result will come like 1200. So that's it guys, this is a very useful function which we can use in your case. And if you like these videos guys, please subscribe my channels and like, give a thumbs up on it so that I could make a more advanced videos to solve your complex problems. So please help me for that and do your needful. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next video.